Imagine waking up in a peaceful retreat, surrounded by the soothing sounds of nature and the gentle embrace of fresh air. Picture yourself in a space where the beauty of the outdoors effortlessly blends with your cozy interior, creating a sanctuary of calm and serenity. In today's video, we're diving into 10 creative ways to bring nature into your bedroom, from using natural materials and earthy colors to incorporating indoor plants, soothing textures, and nature-inspired decor. Let's explore how you can design a nature-inspired bedroom that's both stylish and calming. Let's dive in and get started. A nature-inspired bedroom is more than just a design trend. It plays a vital role in creating a calming, stress-free environment that nurtures your well-being. By incorporating natural elements such as rich wood textures, vibrant greenery, and soothing earthy tones, you can foster a space that encourages relaxation and tranquility. These elements work in harmony to improve the air quality, ensuring a fresh and invigorating atmosphere. The use of organic materials not only enhances the aesthetic of the room, but also promotes a deeper sense of connection to nature. This blend of nature and design helps to bring balance and harmony into your home, transforming your bedroom into a peaceful retreat where you can unwind, relax, and recharge after a busy day. Start by using a natural color palette that reflects the calming beauty of the outdoors. Begin with earthy tones like rich greens, warm browns, soft beiges, and gentle whites. These colors are reminiscent of forest, sandy beaches, and tranquil skies, bringing the peaceful essence of nature right into your space. By incorporating these shades, you create a soothing atmosphere that helps to reduce stress and promote relaxation. The subtle harmony of these colors encourages a sense of calm, making your bedroom the perfect retreat for rest and rejuvenation. Opt for incorporating wooden furniture to bring a natural, rustic charm to your bedroom. Wooden bed frames, nightstands, and shelves not only add warmth to the space, but also create a timeless, organic feel that complements a nature-inspired design. The rich textures and earthy tones of wood help to evoke a sense of tranquility and connection to nature, while adding a touch of elegance and simplicity. Whether you choose light, natural wood or deeper, darker finishes, wooden furniture brings depth and character to your space, making it feel both cozy and grounded. Adding indoor plants is a simple yet effective way to enhance both the aesthetic and the atmosphere of your bedroom. Plants bring life to any space, while also improving air quality by naturally purifying the environment. Consider incorporating plants like snake plants, peace lily, or hanging pothos to create a fresh, lively look. These plants not only add vibrant greenery, but also bring a sense of calm and connection to nature. Their presence can reduce stress, boost your mood, and create a serene ambience, making your bedroom feel like a true sanctuary. Nature-inspired wall art is an excellent way to bring the beauty of the outdoors into your bedroom. Decorate your walls with framed botanical prints, serene landscape paintings, or even forest murals to create a peaceful, nature-infused atmosphere. These pieces of art not only add visual interest, but also evoke a sense of calm and tranquility, helping to immerse you in nature's beauty. Whether it's a delicate botanical illustration or a breathtaking mountain scene, nature-inspired wall art can transform your space into a serene retreat, blending artistry with the natural world. Choose organic bedding and fabrics to enhance the natural, soothing ambience of your bedroom. Opt for linen or cotton bedding in neutral or earthy shades, like soft whites, gentle beiges, or muted greens. These materials are breathable, comfortable, and eco-friendly, providing a light, airy feel that complements a nature-inspired space. Not only do they help maintain a fresh atmosphere, but their natural textures add a touch of elegance and simplicity. Incorporating natural textures into your bedroom design can instantly elevate its organic and cozy vibe. Mix materials like rattan, wicker, jute rugs, or bamboo blinds to create a warm, earthy feel. These textures add depth and interest to your space, while also evoking a sense of connection to nature. The woven details of rattan and wicker bring a touch of craftsmanship, while jute rugs and bamboo blinds offer a sustainable and rustic charm. To create a truly inviting and peaceful atmosphere in your bedroom, use soft, warm lighting. Choose warm-toned LED lights to offer a gentle, calming glow that promotes relaxation. Woven pendant lamps can add a touch of natural texture while casting a cozy, ambient light, enhancing the earthy vibe of your space. Alternatively, Himalayan salt lamps not only provide a soft, warm glow but also help purify the air and create a soothing, tranquil environment. Open up your bedroom and make the most of the natural light by allowing it to flood the space. Maximize sunlight by using sheer curtains that let the light in while maintaining privacy and softness. Positioning mirrors strategically around the room can help reflect sunlight, brightening up darker corners and creating a sense of openness. Natural light not only makes the space feel more airy and expansive, but it also boosts your mood and helps connect your bedroom to the beauty of the outdoors. Embracing natural light will enhance the calming, nature-inspired atmosphere in your room. Bring in water elements to create a calming, zen-like atmosphere in your bedroom. A small indoor fountain or a nature-inspired white noise machine can add soothing sounds of flowing water, promoting relaxation and tranquility in your space. Create a peaceful retreat by adding a cozy reading nook with a comfortable chair, a wooden bookshelf, and soft cushions. Surrounded by natural elements, it becomes the perfect nature-inspired escape for relaxation and quiet moments. Declutter and keep it minimal to preserve the open, airy feel of your nature-inspired bedroom. By removing excess items, you allow the natural elements like wood, plants, and soft textures to take center stage. This creates a serene and spacious atmosphere, encouraging relaxation and a calming environment, perfect for unwinding at the end of the day. Use earthy scents to further enhance the calming atmosphere in your nature-inspired bedroom. Candles or essential oils like lavender, cedar wood, or eucalyptus not only fill the space with soothing fragrances, but also create a peaceful, grounding ambience. These natural scents promote relaxation and stress relief, helping to turn your bedroom into a serene retreat for both your mind and body. Personalize your nature-inspired bedroom with natural accents to add unique character and warmth. Incorporate elements like seashells, dried flowers, smooth stones, or woven baskets to create a lived-in, earthy feel. These simple touches bring texture, charm, and a sense of connection to nature, making your space feel more inviting and distinctly yours. A nature-themed bedroom is the perfect way to bring peace and relaxation into your home. Which idea would you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home decor inspiration.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.